Hi, I'm DJ with 303 and we're here today to answer some of the most frequently asked questions about our brand new 303 Graphene Nano Spray Coating. It's a really exciting new product that's the perfect blend of superior durability and a simple mode of application. But just like anything new, people want to make sure what they're getting is legit. So we've compiled 3 of the biggest questions we get here at 303. So let's get started. First up, why does the product feel like it grips when buffing off? After applying 303 Graphene Nano Spray Coating in a crosshatch pattern, you should wait a few minutes for it to haze. That's when you know it's ready to buff off. During and after buffing, you may feel a slight grip to the surface. That grip is the graphene coating itself. The graphene oxide in the formula is forming a durable, lasting coating on the surface. Think of it like running your finger over a carbon fiber sheet. The grip is the graphene. It is the key component that will get you a year's worth of awesome hydrophobic protection, even if it doesn't feel as slick to the touch. If you prefer a slicker coating, you can always use 303 Speed Detailer as a topper. Next up, is the product naturally black or to use dyes in the formula? For that, we're going to be sending you over to 303 R&D chemist Drake to break it down.
This is the start of our graphene spray coating. As you can see, we have a clear/cloudy liquid that will be the base for our graphene coating. The last step of this formulation is the addition of actual graphene oxide powder. As you can see, the powder is a dark charcoal or black color. Once we add it to the formula, the liquid takes on that same color. It's not just for show. That color change you see is the graphene, what actually makes it a graphene coating. It will spray out of the bottle that same dark gray or black color, but once applied to the surface, it will haze and go clear. It will not dye or bleed onto your paint after it orients itself to the surface. You will get some serious protection though.
Finally, how long will it really last? We claim a year of protection, and we stand by it. To demonstrate its strength, we're going to be doing a wash test. Simple hand wash and rinse, and we'll see how many washes it takes before the coating starts to deteriorate. As you can see, it started to break down around 29 to 30 washes, and the beading was pretty much dead by 35. The longevity of the coating depends on how often you wash it, how you wash it, and your geographic location. Some climates are harsher than others, but as you can see, it lasts a long time. So there you have it. 303 Graphene Nano Spray Coating is slightly grippy in nature because it's a durable coating. It really is black because of the addition of graphene oxide powder in the formula, and you're going to get really strong protection for up to a year and dozens of washes. So give it a shot and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.